As a manager, you spend countless hours creating schedules, cross-checking shifts, and coordinating coverage. It's a tough juggling act, especially when much of the work is manual. Meet Darcy, a manager who uses shifts to make scheduling more efficient and precise, saving time while keeping her employees in sync. Darcy can make adjustments and review her team's shift schedule on the go. She can add shifts and clarify details using custom labels, color coding, and notes, and then share the schedule with team members. Darcy notices a time off and swap request from her team. She approves both and adds a note in the swap request to remind her employee to put in their availability next time with shifts. It's easy for managers to perfect the act of scheduling, saving time to focus on bigger things and stay on the move.